Learning with Zachary and Zayden. Okay, so today we're going to be learning some words. Zachary, what word is this?
Bed.
Bed. B-E-D. Can you find the letters to spell bed?
Yes.
Letter?
B.
B. Put it up there. All right. Next is a E, and Zayden has the what? D. Put it the right way, Zayden. Go ahead, put it right there.
No, it's red. Mommy tells me to do the red. Turn it.
Turn it.
Turn it. Other way.
Oh, so they're colored. Okay.
Other way.
Turn it.
Other way.
Flip it around. Yeah. Now put it up there. Good job, boys. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. Let's do another one. Okay, what word is this?
Jam.
Jam. J-A-M. Jam. Can you guys find the J?
Tweet.
J. Can you find the A? A-M. We need the M. Okay, jam. J-A-M. Jam. Good job. You guys know your words. Do you guys know what word this is?
Dog.
No, it starts with a P.
Parrot.
P-E-T. Pet. Pet. All right. So let's find the letters to spell pet. Can you find the P?
They keep it there.
Oh, yeah.
P.
Okay, flip it round. Awesome. Good job. Can you find the E?
E right there. E right here.
Oh, snap. Turn it. Bam. Good job. And last, we need a T.
Turn it. Flip it.
Bam. Awesome. Pet. P-E-T. Pet. Good job. Okay, everyone should know this one is pretty easy. That dog. How you spell dog?
D-O-G.
Dog. D-O-G. Can you find the letters to spell dog? D. Next is O. And last, we need a
G.
A G. Flip it. Turn it. Get it! Awesome. Dog. D-O-G. Good job. Want to do some more?
You have to rock.
All right. What word is this? I think you had it right, Zach.
Rock.
Rock. R-O-C-K. Rock. Can you guys find the letters to spell rock?
Yes.
R. Yep. Zayden, you got the O. And you need a C.
C's on my.
Good teamwork, boys.
No way.
C. Now you just need the K.
K.
Oh, snap. Says they found the K. All right. Okay. K. So rock. R-O-C-K. Rock. Good job. Do you know what this word is? A plate. So it starts with a D and it looks like it's wet. So they could have been washing it. So you wash what?
Plate.
You wash what that starts with the D? D-I-S. So let's sound it out. Dish. So you wash a what? Dish.
Dish.
Like you wash dishes? Wash a dish. So let's find the letters that spell dish.
Okay, it's easy. It's easy. Lay down.
Big dome piece in the way.
Yeah.
So we found the D for dish. Next,
I have it.
that has an I. Say they. I. D-I. We need an S and an H. All right, put the S up there, boys. All right, put the next letter up. All right, S. And next, I think Zach has the last letter, and it is H. So D-I-S-H spells dish. Man, you guys did a good job today.
Till next time.
Until next time, Zay.